Now let's look at the basic functions of the full-time displays. Other lessons explain the displays in detail. We'll start with the PFD. These are the PFD indications during an ILS approach. The PFD's attitude area has a flight director and flight mode enunciations. Approach minimums and radio altitude, and navigation and approach indications. The airspeed tape shows current and selected airspeed, or Mach, and reference and limit speeds. The altitude tape shows current and selected altitude, and minimum and landing altitude indications. Vertical speed is shown here. The lower part of the PFD is a mini-map. It shows heading and track, and also position and map indications. The aux display has two different areas, a flight data block and an ATC message block. The flight data block shows the flight number, transponder code, cell call code, and tail number. Mic shows which radio and frequency are in use for transmission on the pilot's audio panel. Time, date, and elapsed flight time are shown here. A pilot-controlled chronograph display is shown when the chronograph is in use. The ATC message block shows messages sent to the airplane from ATC or Flight Information Services. The ICAS display shows primary engine indications and total air temperature. Gross weight, fuel quantity, static air temperature, and fuel temperature are shown here. Secondary engine indications can be shown here. Crew alerting and advisory messages are shown in this area. Landing gear and flap indications are shown here when the gear or flat panel display units. Stabilizer and two head-up trim indications are shown on the ground and in flight as necessary. The display's indications for the pressurization system are shown here when necessary. The traditional flight instrument